Hello students, welcome back to the Linux series. In this video, we're gonna talk about introduction to Linux. See guys, as a cybersecurity expert, I would like to give you some hint and some of the question which I generally ask to the aspirant. I'm a cybersecurity expert having more than 5 years experience and have been taught more than 2000 students. So let's jump to the introduction to Linux. If you want to see the live mock interviews with my past students, those who get jobs in MNCs, do not forget to subscribe. I usually take the live classes on a weekend basis only, and you can feel free to reach out me on my given number and email address. I'll prefer after 6 p.m. to interact with you. Let's see the video. And first, see, as a cybersecurity aspirant, you should know the Linux and Unix. First, you should know the difference between Linux and Unix. See, the Linux is a Unix clone. Linux is not generally considered as operating system. They just behave like the Unix. And Linux has not its own code. It means they are not built on top of their pure kernel. Correct. And now let's discuss the Unix is developed in AT&T lab. There it's the basic. Generally the freshers interview start with the very basic things, the Linux, Unix, what is a Kali Linux, what is a Debian, what is a Fedora, what is IBM UX and all. You should know it. And the current version is 2022.4 as of now, and the kernel is 6.0. Correct. So let's see the next slide, and we'll see why Linux is most important for the cyber security. We'll see 96% of DMZ, demilitarized zone, where your all the web server and the database located. So they mostly prefer Linux. See the 96%, the DMZ zone, demilitarized zone. Second, the low cost, open source, and as of scalability. See, as of scalability is considered as, see, in the DMZ, in the demilitarized zone, there is not only one or two web server, millions of web servers located on a single company, single organization, who not only manage, who operate, who successfully deployed on redundant base. So for that, scalability is very important. So this much of thing we should learn Linux, and especially as a cybersecurity, you should know the Kali. If you know Kali or the Parrot, no problem, but we generally not prefer the Ubuntu. Correct. And let's discuss one more thing, like if you know the Linux, how it's generally work on the client side and on the backend side, feel free to subscribe me and watch my YouTube channel. And I'll also upload the courses on Udemy in future about cybersecurity bug bounty, pen testing, SOC, VAPT, and one more for the CCNA. Correct. So do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video or in the next live session.